In this video, we're going to talk about the People tab and how to navigate and find your groups if a course has the group function. So let's start with the People tab. Every course that you have at the Harvard Chan School will have an independent People tab. Here's the People tab. The People tab will show you who is involved with that course. So that will show you all of the enrolled students, as well as the instructors and the teaching assistants. Here, for this course, currently, there's only myself. However, soon you will also have access to this Canvas tutorial, and so once you do, all of those individuals will appear below my name. They will also appear above my name in alphabetical order. Now I want to draw your attention above to here. There are two sets of groups. That means that two groups will be created throughout the course of this course. In group 1, if I click on it, it will bring me within a group 1 setting. Any student not assigned to a specific subset group, A, B, or C, would appear here on the left-hand side. Any student assigned to a subset group would be found here in one of these groups over here. Currently, there are no students within this Canvas site, and so that's the reason why there are 0 students within each subset. If you wanted to figure out what group you had been assigned to, all you need to do is click on this little drop-down arrow, and that will show you what students are within each group. Sometimes there might be many groups, and so you'll need to scroll down within this page. Additionally, some instructors don't create groups until later on in the course, and so maybe while you can currently see group 1 and group 2, there may be a third group that's created later on. As mentioned in a previous video, if you're looking specifically for the groups that you have been assigned to, you can also find your specific groups over here in the Group tab of the left-hand General menu. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.